To draw a fish, we'll begin by drawing a circle. So after you finish drawing a circle, we'll add a C shape on the top. Similarly, a C shape again below it. Next, we would be putting a circle inside it. Then add a small circle and another small circle and shade it. After we finish this, we'll next add a line dividing this circle. Make sure this is a curved line. Then we'll draw the fin. After this, we'll add the upper fin with a curved line. Similarly, below also, make sure the upper fin is a bit larger than the lower fin. Finally, we'll add the dorsal fin. So after finishing this, we start coloring. I'll be using yellow color. For the mouth and the face, we'll use yellow. And for the body, I'll be using pink. And for the fin, I'll be using orange. And that is how you draw a fish.